The government today in a press conference has said that all Omicron cases in India are extremely mild or asymptomatic and that vaccinations are up, which is good news. But they also warned that mask usage has fallen drastically and we have to watch out for that.
There are 9 more Omicron cases in India, but all the confirmed cases have mild symptoms. And even though just 83 out of over 58,000 passengers have tested positive for COVID, the government is bracing for a rise in cases. States have been asked to ensure seamless hospitalizations and sufficient ambulances, 2 crisis points in the devastating second wave.
अभी तक जो भी ओमिक्रॉन पॉजिटिव केसेस देश में डिटेक्ट किए गए हैं उनमें मुख्यतः माइल्ड सिम्टम्स ही पाए गए हैं। हमने स्टेट से यह भी कहा है कि बहुत जरूरी है कि जिस पेशेंट को हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की जरूरत है उसको एक सीमलेस प्रोसेस एस्टैब्लिश किया जाए ताकि वह एक पारदर्शी पद्धति से अपने आप को हॉस्पिटल एडमिशन के प्रोसेस को फॉलो अप कर सके।
Maharashtra reported 7 new cases today and now has a total of 17 cases, highest in India. However, vaccinations are picking up. In December, the average number of daily vaccinations is now about 76%, the same as the peak seen last September. But there's still no decision when vaccinations for children will begin. South Africa has reported that kids are seeing a much higher rate of infection after Omicron. 53.5% adult population is fully vaccinated, which is far below European nations, which are seeing a surge in COVID cases. A subject expert committee which held a meeting today on a booster has not given any recommendation yet. Meanwhile, the government says the focus right now remains vaccination of entire adult population.
देश में हमारे पास 2 एक्सपर्ट ग्रुप है, एक है नेगवाक और एक है इंटागी। हमें हमारा देश के साइंटिस्ट पर भरोसा है, दुनिया भी हमारे साइंटिस्ट की सलाह लेते हैं। जब हमारे साइंटिस्ट कहेंगे तब हम ये पॉलिसी को आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
With the steady rise of Omicron cases in the country, the government is now targeting to vaccinate the entire adult population as soon as possible. But to achieve its earlier target of vaccinating the entire adult population, by the end of this year, the government will have to vaccinate more than 44 million doses every day, almost 5 times the doses that were administered on average this month. In New Delhi, Akshay Dongre, NDTV.